cold, nigga.
Yo, it's your favorite hustler here, Wade Jackson, man. Shooting a quick video for you guys, man. Long time no see, man. I have got a new car since then. Really, my car kind of looks like my logo. But anyway, let's get straight into the video. I want to show you guys how to clean your rims. How to take a rim that looks like this and basically turn it into a brand new rim. So right now I have cleaned these rims up with 4-0 grade steel wool. Looks like this. This was no Coke involved, no baking soda involved, but I will be using Coke and baking soda to take it to the next level. But as you can see how the rims started off, I got them looking like this now. There's no soap, no water. This is just regular steel wool, but that's 4-grade steel wool. So what I gotta do next is I have to get deeper in there, because as you can see I still got a lot of pitting, but I have taken a lot off. So now I go to 00, just 2 zeros. I can take it all the way to just 10 just to see. You don't want to go too much more than that, because you don't want to get scratches all in your chrome. It's hard enough to already keep rims chrome, because usually I mess up a pair of chrome rims, I paint them, but now I'm on to a new level. I know I can get these to stay chrome and keep it with that nice mirror shine, so that's what I'll do. I got these for a pretty decent deal. I'm very happy with them, and I know I can bring them back to a new looking shine for my car. And for those of you who haven't saw my car, this is my car. It's a little dark, but it's a 1979 Buick LeSabre. I'm going to take the 20s off of it just because the 20s are too little for me, and I'm going to be putting these 26s on it, so I'll be seeing if it needs a lift and stuff. But as far as my paint, the camera doesn't know justice. I'll have to show you with a light. You might be able to see, but it has gold and green flakes in it. Beautiful car. I painted it. It was originally brown. Matter of fact, let me see if I can get y'all a picture here. And then yeah, I drove it back from New Mexico. Beautiful car, beautiful car. But I'm just trying to make this car about a $5,000 to $6,000 car, because I'm really trying to trade this off for you know, like a 76 Buick, or maybe a Donk, you know, some type of 70s Caprice or Impala. But we'll just see what happens, man. But it's good to be back, good to be shooting a video, good to be saying hi to you guys, and continue to watch me like you watch TV. I'm back on here. I have grown a lot since the last time you see me, and I'm just all about getting things done on a budget. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to message me, inbox me. If you guys have any tips or tricks that I need to learn, feel free to inbox me. I'll just be ready to connect with you guys, because we can do some awesome things if we just work together and make this happen, instead of so much hate in the world, man. It's already hate in the world as it is. So let's make this thing happen, man. Talk to you guys later. I'm out. Right, so here we have the rim after I just used 00 steel wool. Now the video I saw said use 10. I just went 00 just because I had some laying around the house. It's not too bad. It did knock it down, but as you can see, it's still spots everywhere. So I'm gonna go down to that 10. I'm gonna grab something from the store and look at that and try to use that with the Coca-Cola and baking soda and degreaser, and we'll see how that turns out. But man, it's came a ways since where it was.
Laugh, it kept me from crying. Said it was all good, but I was lying. Stood on my 10 and I did my